Hello, this video about Laplace and inverse Laplace using TI-Nspire CAS. Now, open library, and choose Laplace as shown. Here an example to get Laplace for t. Another example to get Laplace for cosine t. Now, let us try inverse Laplace. We will repeat Laplace steps, but we will choose Laplace. Now, we will get inverse Laplace, for 1, over, s plus 1. Here is a small problem, and we will fix it. To get inverse Laplace, we have to adjust calculation mode to auto. Let us try again after adjust it. Another problem. We have to adjust complex mode to rectangular. Let's try again. Now, we get the result. Another examples to get Laplace for delta t. Unit step. And shifted unit step. Finally, thanks for watching. If you like the video, kindly press subscribe.